Hello everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. No noodles for your soup? No worries at all. Just make little clouds instead. The kids will love them. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and add a pinch of salt. Give them a good whisk until they're nice and smooth. Now start spooning in semolina. 2 eggs usually take about 7 heaping spoonfuls. In the end, I'll show you the texture you're aiming for. If you keep the mixture softer, your clouds will turn out soft and fluffy. If you make it firmer, your clouds will be firm too. It's really up to you. My older daughter likes the fluffy clouds. My younger one insists on the rock-hard ones. You just can't please everyone, so I serve them exactly as they turn out that day. If you don't have semolina, cream of wheat works just fine. Once the mixture looks like this, you're on the right track. Dip your spoon into the hot chicken soup, then scoop in the clouds. For the little ones, you can make smaller clouds too. I give them a gentle stir so the hot broth touches every side. When they rise to the top, I let them cook for another 5 minutes. Bon appétit, my dears. And if you'd like to see more simple and delicious recipes, give this video a like and subscribe. I've got plenty more ideas to share with you.